Today I'm going to be showing you the lamest emergency alert system test in the whole entire universe. That is, unless you've watched K2 in the past couple months, which is what I captured it from. Pardon the poor quality because I'm using my video camera and an analog capture device because I think it looks better than just straight up raw digital video. And let's get on with it. Switching to the VCR.
Watch me. Life-changing orthopedic excellence at Shriners Children's. The most amazing care anywhere.
This is a test of the emergency alert system.
I'm gonna pee my pants! So scary! Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, please.